Using artificial intelligence in business. How to use AI in my business. How to start an AI business. What are some AI business ideas to make money with? You may have started by wanting to use AI to generate a plan, a logo, a branding picture for your business. But we're going to go one step further. We're going to give you a complete AI designed business that's proven. And in fact, I want to give you a second one as well. Both AI businesses work globally, worldwide, anywhere in the world. Here I am in New Zealand, beautiful Queenstown, and we took a helicopter trip, me and my wife, Grace. This was a wonderful experience. I'm a dog lover, and here are our two Spitz Pomeranians. Back to the AI small business ideas. The first one is Paul Darby's We Are Here. Paul Darby is an absolute genius who lives in Texas, USA, and he spent hundreds of thousands of dollars developing this business, and you can get it for just a tiny $10. That's amazing. Do you think that's fair? It pays 50% residual income, so I think you'll keep it. The second AI business I'm going to give you is Ian Cormier's Referrals to Rewards, which starts with an incredibly colored video of pirates and coins and Spanish treasure. It's a really fantastic little business. When you look at that video, you'll see what I mean. The first millionaire blueprint to finally make sense to me. Now, I want you to look down and read the whole text area below this video, because that's where I'm going to give you the two AI businesses. And you'll find that they're really worthwhile. They'll get you what you want. An AI design business will get you a constant stream of cash flow. You'll be laughing all the way to the bank.